Hello friends, welcome to the another video of exiting or restarting KSS. Precondition for certain options: expert user group. Procedure: select the menu item, shut down in the main menu. Second, select the desired options. Third, press shutdown control PC or reboot control PC. Fourth, confirm the request for confirmation with yes. The system software is terminated and restarted in accordance with the selected option. After the restart, the following message is displayed: cold start of controller, or if reload files has been selected, initial cold start of controller. Notice: if when shutting down the option reboot control PC was selected, the main switch on the robot controller must not be pressed until the reboot has been completed. System files may otherwise be destroyed. If this option was not selected on shutting down, the main switch can be pressed once the controller has shut down. Description: shutdown window. Default settings for switching off the controller via main switch. Cold start. After a power failure, the robot controller starts with a cold start. A power failure and start are generally triggered by switching the main switch on the robot controller off and on. Can only be selected in the expert user group. Hibernate. After a power failure, the robot controller starts with hibernate. Can only be selected in the expert user group. Power of delay time. Wait time before the robot controller is shut down. This ensures that the system does not immediately shut down. For example, in the event of very brief power failures but bridges the power failure, can only be changed in the expert user group. Settings valid next time the system is switched off using the main switch. These settings only apply to the next start. Force cold start activated. The next start is a cold start, only available if hibernate has been selected. Reload files activated. The next start is in initial cold start. This option must be selected in the following cases: if XML files have been changed directly, i.e. the user have opened the file and modified it. Any other changes to XML files, example, if the robot controller modifies them in the background, are irrelevant. If hardware components are to be exchanged after shutdown, can only be selected in the expert user group, only available if cold start or forced cold start has been selected. Depending on the hardware, the initial cold start takes approx 30 to 150 seconds longer than a normal cold start. Power of delay time activated. The wait time is added to the next time the system is shut down. Deactivated. The wait time is ignored the next time the system is shut down. Instant actions. Shutdown control only available in operating modes T1 and T2. The robot controller is shut down. Reboot control PC only available in operating modes T1 and T2. The robot controller is shut down and then restarted. Drive bus only available in operating modes T1 and T2. Off on. Drive bus off on only available in operating modes T1 and T2. The drive bus can be switched off or on. Drive bus status indicator. Green, drive bus is on. Red, drive bus is off. Gray, status of the drive bus is unknown. Start types. Cold start. After a cold start, the robot controller displays the navigator. No program is selected. The robot controller is reinitialized. Example, all user outputs are set to false. Note: if XML files have been changed directly, i.e. the user has been opened the file and modified it, these changes are taken into consideration in the case of a cold start with reload files. This cold start is called an initial cold start. In the case of a cold start without reload files, these changes are not taken into consideration. Hibernate. After a start with hibernate, the previously selected robot program can be resumed. The state of the kernel system's programs block pointer variable contents and outputs is completely restored. Additionally, all programs that were open parallel to the robot controller are reopened and have the same state that they had before the system was shut down. The last state of Windows is also restored. Switching the robot controller off. Procedure. Turn the main switch on the robot controller is off. The robot controller automatically backs up data. Notice, the main switch on the robot controller must not be operated if the cases has been excited with the option reboot, control PC, and the reboot has not yet been completed. System files may otherwise be destroyed. Next, setting the user interface language. Procedure. In the main menu, select Configuration Miscellaneous Language. Select the desired language. Click OK to confirm. That's it for today's video. In the next video, we'll continue from online documentation and online help.